Myself, Sudarshan Chatterjee, from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology, Electrical Department. Today, we are trying to verify Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. To verify Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the algebraic sum of voltages in any closed path of a network is 0. In other words, in a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of all the EMFs and all the voltage drops is 0. Now we are trying to verify Kirchhoff's voltage law. Materials required to verify Kirchhoff's voltage law: a voltage source, an ammeter, 3 resistance of different magnitude, a voltmeter, and some conductor. So let us prepare the circuit which is essential to verify Kirchhoff's voltage law in our virtual lab platform. In this circuit, there are three resistors connected in series of different magnitude. First 20 ohm, second resistance 30 ohm, and third resistance 40 ohm, and supply voltage 50 volt. So the voltage drop in first resistance is 11.11 volt. Voltage drop in second resistance is 16.67 volt, and voltage drop in third resistance 22.22 volt. The addition of three voltage drops is equal to 50 volt, which is equal to the source EMF. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the algebraic sum of voltages in any closed path of a network is 0, and from this circuit, Kirchhoff's voltage law is verified.